Hello everyone, welcome back. This is a short tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make it mandatory for buyers to provide their phone numbers during the checkout on eBay. This is specifically useful if you sell expensive or large item that requires delivery or coordination, like furniture or electronics that are expensive, and you can pass the mobile number to the courier and they will inform the buyer with a delivery time slot, for example, to make it all smoother. So you can make it the whole experience really smooth and with no or less trouble, basically. So as you can see from the screen, and by the way, my name is Sebastian and I'm the founder of Retail-Outsource. So let's jump back to the screen. And once you have logged into eBay, and by the way, if you don't have a business account on eBay, this option will not be there for you. So if you don't say, that means you are a private seller, your account is private. In that case, you can upgrade it. So what you have to do, you have to go into account settings, and you can see there is postage preference over here. So click on postage preference, scroll all the way down, and you can just enable this option, request buyer phone number. Buyers will be asked for their phone number at checkout, and then just enable it. That's it. So that's saved, and that means going forward the buyers will require to add their phone number at checkout. So this is how you do it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and thanks a lot for watching. I have plenty of videos on the topic of eBay, so please do check our channel. Thank you.